So you're here because you have reflux, and you're either on acid blockers, you're trying to get off of them, or you're just looking for a more natural solution. The Reflux Plus Kit is made just for you. Hi, my name is Acacia Young. I'm the Chief Science Officer at Silver Fern brand, and I'm here to walk you through the insides of the Reflux Plus Kit. Now, when most people think about reflux, for the past 30 years, we've thought that acid reflux is due to too much stomach acid. That's why a lot of the medications out there are meant to either neutralize stomach acid, like an antacid, or block your body from producing enough stomach acid, like acid blockers. But this is not actually what causes acid reflux. And now you might be thinking, well, that doesn't make any sense. I've taken these before and it helps. And it might help in the interim, but it tends to have all these other side effects. It's meant to be used very short term. And then oftentimes when people use it over time, it works less and less. So they have to up their dose more and more. Then they get to the point where they can't live without it, right? They've developed a reliance on this product. And then with all the other side effects, they don't want to keep using it. So it makes sense that you're looking for a more natural solution. So what's actually going on when we're talking about acid reflux is actually low stomach acid. This seems counterintuitive, but when you have lower stomach acid actually plays a role in digestion. It actually helps us digest our protein. So if you don't have very much stomach acid when you're eating your food, your first line of protein digestion is eliminated. That protein can then sit in your stomach. It can ferment if you have bacterial imbalances in the stomach. It can ferment and then create increased pressure in the stomach, which can then press that stomach acid up into the esophagus, especially if you have a weak esophageal sphincter, which is really just the barrier between your esophagus and your stomach. Now, when this happens over time, that acid, it's literally acid, is able to erode the mucosal layer of your esophagus. That is what can lead to heartburn, that burning sensation in your chest. So the acid reflux is the backwards movement of stomach acid up into the esophagus, and the heartburn is the effect of too much acid in the esophagus. When I was developing these products, what I was really focused on is helping to improve digestion, first and foremost, and also to enhance the stomach acid content, because that's actually what you need. Then I also wanted to focus on soothing the inflammatory processes. So we want to soothe the esophagus and the stomach lining so that you don't have to deal with that burning sensation. So first, we're going to have digestive enzymes. Those are really going to help you break down your food. It's not just your protein, your carbs, your protein, and your fats. This way, we can ensure that everything's being broken down properly while your stomach acid is really low. The next thing we want to do is to help soothe and coat your mucosal lining. So we can do this with a couple of different ingredients. Main ones include the licorice flavonoids and the mucosave ingredient. So mucosave is actually a combination of prickly pear polysaccharides and olive leaf extract. So the prickly pear polysaccharides are able to pull in water. They can create a little gel-like substance, and that helps them to coat the mucosal lining. In this way, they can soothe the inflammatory processes going on both in the esophagus and in the stomach. Next, we have the olive leaf extract. The olive leaf extract can actually also help calm down the system. So it's helping to calm the inflammatory process in the stomach directly. The reflux powder is best taken at night, but if that doesn't work for you, you can also take it first thing in the morning. You're able to mix it with water or really whatever beverage you like. It's probably best if you don't mix it with a carbonated beverage, but any beverage of your choice beyond that is going to be great. The Reflux Plus Kit is formulated to work